Hello everyone. Hello, welcome back to our online class. And today it is time for our art and craft. Okay. So today we will make spring bird craft. We call it spring bird craft because it is springtime. All right. So first, what do we need? Okay, what do we need to make this spring bird art and craft? Okay, first we need to have our glue. Okay, next we need to have crayons. Okay, or we could also use color pencil as well, right? Next we need to have scissor. Then we can also have blank paper, or we could have a color paper. Okay, or we can use color paper. All right. Next, we need to have our templates, okay, to use to create. All right, to create bird. Okay, let's begin. Okay, first let's have our blank A4 size of paper. Okay, then we can color the entire A4 paper, okay, or the white paper. Okay, or if you have colorful paper, then we can also use that one. All right, let's start. Okay, first thing first, I'll use color brown to color the entire paper. Okay, I'll start. Alright. So let's just color the entire A4 size of paper. Okay, almost done. Okay, there you go. As you can see, I colored the entire paper. Next, I can choose different color, or you guys can choose your own color. Okay, so I'll use blue color and create a big oval shape. Right, big oval shape, just like that. Okay, and we can also make another oval shape inside the oval shape, the big oval shape, right? Just like that. Okay, then let's just keep doing it. Okay, there you go. Next, we can choose another color, so I'll choose red color. So let's just create another oval shape. Just like that. Oopsie. I can choose green color to create another oval shape. Okay. So if you can see, we are making bird nest, okay, as a start. All right, so I'll choose different color. I'll choose purple. See, there you go. Then I can use black color. Okay. Big oval shape. Okay, inside the big oval shape, I can draw another big oval shape. Then another big oval shape. Then small oval shape. And small, even smaller, and more smaller. Okay, all right. Last one, let me choose orange. Let's choose orange. There we go. There you go. Then there you go, look, now we do have bird nest. Okay, next let's get our template paper which we printed out, or if you guys don't have any printer, okay, we could just draw this kind of shape. We can draw half circle, big half circle shape, and small half circle shape. Then like this one, triangular shape, or this kind of shape. Okay, so first let's color the bird body, then next the bird wing, bird tail, and then the beak. Okay, first for the bird body, let's color it into pink color. Let's use pink color. Okay, okay, so I'll just follow the sample which you guys can see. Okay, next I'll color the bird wing. Okay, I'll use blue color. Blue color. Okay. Next, I'll color the bird tail. There you go. For the bird beak, I'll use color orange. Okay. There you go. Okay, then we can, okay, after we color all the shapes, okay, we can start cutting it. Okay, so I'll cut the bird body first. Okay, let's just follow the line, okay, while doing the cutting. Okay, be careful guys when you do your cutting, because you might get hurt. Okay, scissors are sharp. Okay, there you go. Next, I'll cut the bird wing. Just cut the bird wing. Okay, next let's do the bird tail. There you go. Next, we get the bird beak. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah, let's sit aside this one. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, we have to color the leaves. Okay. So I'll use green color for the leaves, or to color the leaves. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now it's time to cut after we color the leaves. Okay. Let's cut the leaves. Okay, remember to follow the line. Okay. Oopsie. Okay. Next, let's cut the eggs. Okay. We don't need to color the egg because the color of the egg is white color. Okay. So let's just cut it. Just cut the 3 little eggs. Okay, it's 1. This is 2. And 3. There you go. Okay. Let's sit aside this one again. Oopsie. Alright. Okay, next. Let's stick the body of the bird. Okay. Let's use the glue. There we go. Stick. Let's place it. Let's place it into the middle. Let's place it into the middle. Okay, let's place it into the middle. There you go. Okay, next, let's glue the bird beak. Okay. Let's just put it here, just like that. Next, bird wing. There you go. Then next, bird tail. There you go. Then next, let's place the 3 eggs. Okay, you guys can place it anywhere. Okay, you guys can place here, or it's up to you. Okay, so let's just place it here below the bird, and the other one we can place it around here. There you go. Next, it's time to stick the leaves. Put it here to make it nice and even more beautiful. There you go. Next one. Just place it below the egg. Okay. Right here. Okay. Then let's just get the black crayon. Ta-da! Then we can add the details of the bird. Okay. So we can add the eye. Okay. A bit line on his wing. Okay, and a bit curved line in his tail. There you go. Okay, look, there you go. This is our spring bird craft. Okay, so it's very easy and very simple and easy to make. All right, thank you very much for watching. Okay, and hope you guys enjoy our art and craft today, and of course hope to see you very soon. All right, so our art and craft is finished. All right, okay, so it's time to say goodbye, guys. Bye, see you again next time. Okay, and have a nice weekend. Oh, always remember, stay safe and of course stay healthy. Bye primary class.